Yeah. So now it's giving a real, it's kind of, you're not going crazy.
Mm,
Sometimes you need to just crawl into bed and not come out for a couple of days. And you'll be better off, and your business will be better off, and your clients and everyone in your world will be better off because of that.
mm,
Grab your journal and your notebook, crawl into bed, and I'll see you in 3 days. Just resting and being creative. Then when you come out of that, and by the way, the more you do this, exponentially, the more you'll have here. These two go hand in hand really powerfully. So energetically, we want to talk about and understand in your cycle what to do each month and how to plan things around that each month. People in human design who subscribe to those theories also do different launch cycles based on human design. I mean, you can drive yourself nuts trying to work out the perfect way to do it. What I love about this process is this is your inherent biology and how the biology plays.